Hi everybody, let's start. In the previous session, as you can remember or not, it's not important by now, we complete some of our work and we are here to make it better. Let's take a look at our GitHub, Gemini, GitHub. We must saw something amazing. The full agenda is here. Choose your favorite sessions. I think it's a good thing. We are creating Project-DeepCrete. Let's see what our last commit, upgrading models 6 to 7. As you remember, we created 2 models, but I tell you I'm not going to run it until the next lesson. Okay, now they run and we can see the result. Let me open Anaconda. Activate our environment, tensor fellow.env. TensorFlow.env is environment I created for creating neural networks. It has cycle length, TensorFlow, and I think PyTorch, Jupyter Notebook. Okay, we have it. We just can wait. Okay, let's go to our model. We have analyzing the result. I commit the model 7 and 8. I think I commit them. Yes, I commit them. We have model 8 and 9. Let's take a look and see what is the difference in model 8 and 9 and see the problems. Okay, let's see model summary of 8. The model 8 summary, let me just copy that, paste it here. Okay, I can paste it like that. Let me just copy that, paste it here. This is model description, total parameters, optimizer, learning rate, epochs, early stopping, last one, metric, MA and MAP. Okay. If you remember in the model 8 what we do, if you don't remember, it's not important, because when you write a code clean and good, you can understand from the result that your code gave to you what you do. We increase the layers and you see the results are not so much different. Let's go for model 9 also, but let's take a look at bisector chart. It's important. You see bisector chart is as the same. Let's go to model 9. Model 9 is the model that that Gemini make it better for us. The bisector line is the same. Let's go to model summary. Okay, it says 2 Excel with the same name cannot be opened. Let me copy that. Paste it here. Okay, model descriptions, total parameters, optimizer, initial learning rate, epochs, early stop. What is that? Okay, we have one here, that one parameter that I don't have a. We have loss function here, metric mentored, MSE, MAE, R squared, MAP. Okay, we have our results. Now we want to make some data work on that and analyze the results. Okay, let's start. At first I save this model. Now let me just copy that and see the result. Okay, for that let's start analyze the data, one by self and one by Gemini. Let's give it to the Gemini. Paste as a plain text. We go to the report we have. You see in the report we create everything. We come near what? Discussion and relation, data propositions, model architecture, training process, and conclusion. Okay, we must at first give this code, give this text to Gemini. No, this text no. Just from here, model architecture. Okay. Fill this report with the data I gave you. The results I gave to you. Okay, until it's doing the work, let's go and see by ourselves the results, which one is the better. Let's see the lower one of them. How we can see that? It's really easy. We just 10, bottom 10%. It's the lowest one. We need the top 10%. Okay, it's 88. Here in MAPE, we need the bottom 10%. Here we need bottom 10%. Okay. Here we need bottom 10%. You see, in all the errors, this model is optimized. This model, which is 8 model, let me light it up. This is the best model we have. Okay, model 7 is the best, as we said. It gave us all the results we want. Let me just copy that. Now, write a text and open a space in your report so I can put bisector line chart. We need to put the bisector line chart also in that. Okay, it's going to write it. Copy that. Paste it. Let's go up. This is result and discussions. Okay. We must put our bisector chart here. Let's go to models. Model 7. Bisector. Where is the bisector chart? Okay, it's here. Let me delete this text. Create a space. Now I want to see if other charts are good to log. This one is also good. And the loss curve is also nice. We have all the charts here, the conclusions. We have everything we want. Okay. Now, create an appendix and write. Give me a chart of the models from best to worst with the errors. I want to align the model from the best to worst. What is it doing? Okay, it's here. Write the model architecture below the chart, below the table of appendix, because we need to have the architectures. This is very important. I think I get a little cold, but not important. Let's go. Let me see how the layers look in the. Okay, it looks great. Let me go to the end. Okay, it's good. These two things are the things I need. Okay, now I have them. Let's go here, paste them. I must copy all the text and then delete the things I don't want. How I can copy all the things? Oh, it's thinking. It's not ended. Okay, let me just restart it. It's done. Copy that. I make some space for myself, then paste it. And I'm going to delete this till here. Okay, appendix, and everything is created perfectly. We have the models, we have the results, we have everything we want. Okay, now we need to prepare our reports and everything else we need. Let's go. Do we need to commit that? Yes, maybe we need to commit that. Just save the report and file, save as, Project-DeepCrete. I want to save it as PDF. Okay. Now delete, close it. Let's commit it. Do the report work. Commit the file. Now we have the report here. Let me delete the prediction. We don't need that. Okay, the report, it's for dam hazard. We need a report for another report we must have here. Why it's not saved? I hope I didn't delete that. Okay, it's here. Control P, print. We call it D for now. It's printing here. The D is ready. Okay, now we open a new Gemini. We have 2 days, it's good. Can you create a README code to copy in my GitHub README text from this report, and I want the README look stunning. Let's go here. We have here the README. Add the README. Let me copy that. I know it's not going to work, but let me copy that. Copy that, paste it here, preview. Okay, why it's a start from the model architecture? Oh, it's not copy all the text. Okay, let me just delete that and see the preview. It's stunning. It's the best in the West. And we have also future works, I think. Yes, we have future works. Everything is created perfectly. We have our results here. Methodology, okay, model architecture, metrics, future works. Everything is great. Commit changes. Okay. Now, I want you to give a perfect code to create an structure, to create a web page for this project. Let's have the web page. Okay, for that we must open our VS Code. VS Code is free. Every app we use here is free. Okay, it's HTML, it's CSS, and JS. Okay, I want you to give all the code in one space, one HTML, and also make it look stunning and give a complete report. VS Code is opened. Okay, we need to go to desktop, Project-DeepCrete, Project-DeepCrete. There, let's go back. I don't know how we can go back, but if we close everything, we can new file. We can open new file, text file, and we select language, HTML. Let's wait for the Gemini. Easy peasy, it's going to work great. Let's see the preview. Okay, let me just copy that. Copy content, paste it here, and Control S it. We want to save it here inside. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, abstract. We must put the figures. The figure one is a scatter plot of actual with predicted. Correlation heat map. Okay, I want to change something. I'm going to go to models, model 7, bisector, and copy these charts. We create a folder called file, put everything here, and also I'm going to, from data analyzing, output visualize, get the correlation heat map. Now we have everything, put them together in file. That's great. In the folder, my HTML file located. Okay, we have a folder name file, and in this folder we have these charts with the SVG format. I want you to show them in web page. Okay, let's copy their name. See, writing code with AI is easier than ever it could be for now, and there are some strong AIs than the one we are using, but that don't work for us, and I don't really in the mood to spend more money. Okay, let's wait. It's going to change this. We are going to name it. We are going to copy that and name it version 1. Okay, we are going to have the version 2. It is great then someone can write a code for you that easily. It's like the industrial revolution. Some of the people think the jobs are going to delete it. No, I think the jobs are going to be more. But for the persons who can earn the jobs. Okay, save it. Run it. Okay, the heat map, the correlations. We have these charts, we have the results. Okay, where is the results? Oh, results is here. It's a good version. Give me more complete web page. I need all the results, all the data I gave to you, even the ones in appendix. Okay, it's very perfect. I'm going to version this also. Version 2. Let's wait for that. Also, I like dark theme. It's better for me. But this one is also good. Let me just push the model. Go and see the results. You can see the preview here, but I don't prefer that because we have a pictures and these pictures are not going to show here. And let me just check. It don't have any JavaScript effect. You see, it has a little ones. I want more JavaScript effects. Okay, let me copy that. Paste it where? Here in the Visual Studio Code. Add more JavaScript effect and dark theme to it. Okay, let's see our new version. results, visualize, abstract, methodology, appendix. It's looking great. I really enjoy this. This is the perfect one, I think. Let me copy that and name it version 3, the best. Okay. We are just going to wait. You must understand there is always the best and you are never going to reach that, but it's important to understand you must be near to that as possible. Let's wait for the results. And I want to add something to that looks pretty amazing. Let's copy that. Run it. Save it. Let's take a look. The visualize are more. It's the perfect one. It's the best of everything. But I'm going to create something for you to understand the power of the models. What I'm going to create for you is that we go here to model 7. You see, we have something, a scalar, okay, and we have the concrete model, okay, and we have the model. I'm going to copy this tree, come here in the site, and here I'm going to call it the app, and I'm going to paste everything here. Going to cut the app, go to site, here, paste everything here, cut and paste them here. Okay, what we are going to do, you remember in the previous, let me have this site. In the previous, you remember, let me just open it in the Visual Studio, in the our Jupyter desktop Project-DeepCrete site. As first, let me just commit everything here, fetch. Okay, let's wait until it's fetch. Here we have file and app. The app is empty because I emptied it now. We go to model 7. You see, we here have the code to load the model and use it. You see, no model named TensorFlow. What should we do? We should import TensorFlow. What I do, that's really amazing, but I don't remember how I do that, so it's worthless. Let me run it. We have another error, I think. No model name TensorFlow. Import TensorFlow as WTF. No model name TensorFlow. Why? Why this problem is happening? No model name TensorFlow. It can't be. We have TensorFlow and we are in TensorFlow environment. Let me ask the Gemini to fix this code. Gemini and new chat also. Fix this code. It has a problem. What is the problem? It said no model name TensorFlow. Why? Import TensorFlow as TF. Why the TensorFlow? It's not knowing the TensorFlow. Let me just close it and open it one more time. It's not possible. We have TensorFlow and I know that. Activate TensorFlow env and Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter. The problem is some kind of annoying and I don't know what is that. If we don't have TensorFlow, it's going to be crashing. And the problem is not going to end here and it's something really strange. Let's go to Project-DeepCrete site, file, model 7. Let me run it. Oh, no, don't run it. Don't run it. Run this. I hope it works. Let's see what Gemini says to us about the error. Okay, load and prepare the data. Let's see if this works. Okay, it load the scalar, it load the model. Loaded scalar. Okay. This is not what I want. Fix this error. Using your model again is one of the most important thing you must do. Diff, train and save model. It's going to train a new model. Why it's the hell are you stupid? Let me read the error myself. Must call back, import sklearn terrain test split. Okay, I now run it. NumPy random. Why the hell is he using NumPy random? Where is NumPy random even? Must call back. Okay. I really don't understand it. Let's go back to our Project-DeepCrete model 7 and open it from here. Run the last line code. and see if we have the errors or not. I'm going to delete everything here because I don't understand the problem. Okay, it's predicted and it's working great. Now I want you, can you change this model using to a web page? I hope you didn't understand. Let me ask a new one also. Is the site? Let me paste it here. I have a model that I can use like this to predict my results. I want you to give me a web page to use model, and when you gave the parameters in web page, it predict for you. Okay, it's created, but let's see how it works. For example, predict a strength. How it's going to predict it? Okay, I transform the Python script into the interactive. There's a complex self that replaces the function. You can use it to come there and get a strength predicted directly in your browser. I put the brain logic directly into the JavaScript portion of the file. Keeping the model scale. The most important part is the script tag I created. Okay, let's go to the code. Wait, how the hell it get from where you get the weights? Weights 1, 2. Okay, it has the model fix error. The weight and basis you see in the model objects with JavaScript are currently, and the comments in the code explain that values are meant to extract from. For example, you would need load your safe model in Python using okay. I love that. Tell me how to get my model parameters and give them to you to fix the web page. Could not load the model. Okay, let it give me the code. Please upload your model file to begins. Where I've created, where should I put my model? Okay, I've created that. It says here, save the Python script, take the code from and save it on your computer, same folder when you have it. Okay, run the script, copy the output, paste it here. Okay, let's do it. Copy content, go here, run it. Okay, we have the scalar file here. The Jupyter server stop sending output to call in order to avoid crashing it. Let's run it another time. This is the scalar means. This is the scalar. Let me paste it for it. What happened? First, run the TensorFlow command on your computer to create the model JSON and bin file. Then on web page, use the to file. Okay, let me just copy this code. I think it has a word to say. Copy the code. Go to file. And as always, paste it here. Save it. Run it. Okay, we are already coming crash H5 installed the pip installed. Then run this command. Okay, let me run it here. Can size regression here. Oh, it's going to give me some problem here, some hard time. Pip install TensorFlow. We have this model. Setup instructions. Here it gave me the code. Run the TensorFlow commenter. Gave me the code to convert my model to JS. Son model. Okay, let's see what it's going to say. The solution, instead of printing the parent on the screen, save list. Okay, it's changed the matter. Let's go here to our Python file. Okay, model parameters.txt. Where is model parameters.txt? I know where is it. Let's go there. Project-DeepCrete models 7. Model parameters.txt. Where is it? Okay, it's a very huge file. Let me just paste it for the Gemini. Update the weights. There are lots of weights. Model, it's giving me the code, but I'm not going to run it. I'm waiting for this to update the layers. Let's see the model. Okay, it's the scalar, the model weights. I hope Gemini don't crash also, because there are lots of weights. There are more than lots of weights. It's also the layer 1. We have 5 layers, I think. We must just wait. Let me start new chat with this. I want to have a web page that use Let me just copy the txt and paste it here in the site that used the file, this file I gave to you near the web page I want you to create in same folder to create a web page that predict the model, the compressive strength used use these details. Okay, let me just paste the model at first. This is the text, and then let's go for the okay. And I want to see this, the txt has the scalar. No, it don't have the scalar. I should copy the scalar by myself. And this scalar. Okay. Let's see the code. It created layer 1, layer 2. Okay, let's see how many layers dot model 7 have. I think here we can see the layers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 layers. How many does it have? Can you just use the txt file that I gave to you in one folder with HTML file that you have for predicting, because now you don't use all the weights rightly. Okay, let's wait for that refining model. It's reading that. You see, loading and using the model is also a problem always. I want you to understand that this is a hard but important thing. It's verifying, clarifying, refining models. Okay, it's reading. You have part and extend point. Okay, here is the uploaded code. I hope it worked great. If it do the prediction right, okay, gave me all the code in one HTML. I don't really like them to be separated. Okay, let's copy the content, paste it, save it, run it. Where is here? It's here. Step 1, open your model file, copy its content and paste them into the box below. Okay, let's open it, copy, paste it. Load model parameters. Use them. file near in one folder with web page to load weights. Okay, let's see what it gave to us. Let's copy you and see if you are going to crash or not. Control S. Now we need to run it. Okay, 200 for example. Let me just use the example we have here for the best prediction possible. We have some example here. 500. Okay, 0 0 100 0 0 160 2 and 205 205 1040 676 days 28. Predict. Okay, let's go with 93 megapascal. What is the predicted? 72. Let's go with 3. No, it's working wrong. It's not the thing I want. Let's see if everything is right. We have 540 here. 0 0. Important. Cement, slag, fly ash. Okay. 0 162. And the day is 28. Let me tell you, this not use model to predict correct. Let's have a look at you. It's crashing some kind of. Let me refresh that. Not the preview, I want the code. The preview is not important for me. Copy content, save it, refresh this site. Okay, 503. Let's go here. We have the slag and fly ash 0, slag 0, water 162, 2.5, 1000, predict strength 45, but the predicted here is 72. The predicted number is not right, and same with my model. Okay, it's going to fix it. Let me copy that. Control S, refresh it. It's predict wrong. Let's wait another time and copy this code. Fixing problem is the most thing you can learn from programming. Okay, it's going to write the weight by itself. Because of that, we have a problem. So we can, from the models we have, we can use one of them that has lowest weight. It's writing the weight by itself, and I don't really like it. create the HTML code and don't fill the we need to paste this model's weight, but there are lots of them, and don't fill the model's weight space and just free their space, and then write a Python code that read the text weight from txt file and then paste the text in web page. The weights are wrong. Let me just copy that and paste it here for that. First, I will deselect with a placeholder for the model weights. Then I give you the script that reads, okay, this is the HTML template. Okay, let me copy the HTML template. Not preview, I want the code. It's using canvas for answer, because of that we have a problem. Okay, let's reload it. Let's go to the code. Okay, this is our HTML file. Copy content, paste it, Control S. Then go to Python file. This is our Python file. In the site, we have no Python file. We must create that. We go to the home and site. Here, we create a new notebook. Okay. Okay, we have everything here. What is it doing? This is the predicted number and it's wrong. I think we have a little problem here and I don't understand the problem really well. We have the model parameters, but I don't know why it can't use it to load the model. Let's see if we can do another thing. Go to Gemini and see what it's going to give us. It also gave us the weight. Automate. It's good. This is the code I want. Okay, let me copy that and create a new Python file also. Now let's go for the HTML file. Gave me the index.html code. Now we have the Python file, model params.txt, index.html. We need the index.html file, and then after copying that, the problem is fixed. I think it's always about try and try again. Let's wait for it to done the work. Let's wait. It's coming down to end. Okay, let's go to code. We don't need any preview. Copy content, go here, paste it, save it, and we must save it as the name index.html. Let me just copy paste that and name it index.html. Oh shit, we have two HTMLs. We must delete one of them. Index.html. Now let's run it. We have crash, absolutely. No model, none. Okay, pip install WebDrive manager. Okay, we must install some models. We also ask this to fix the error, because I don't use this model and know the exact name. Don't know the exact name. Okay, it installed. Let's run it. Setting the WebDriver. Let's wait. I don't know what it's doing. Let's write the code. This actually automates the process of loading mode weights into the predictive web page. It reads the weight from a text file and okay. It said we need to load the load parameters here. Model parameters. Paste the load parameters here. What is the problem? It makes something that I don't really like. Let's ask the Gemini to fix it. I want the Python file to read the text file in the same folder as the Python file and HTML file, and rewrite the weight in our HTML web page. You see, the main problem here is that the model's parameters are so big that it can't use it. The best thing we can do is that to connect our HTML file to our Python file. But let's try. If it's not work, we do that thing. Okay, this is the template. It has the scalars. Let's see if it has the weight. We have the problem. Weights. It don't have any weights. Okay, let's go to code. Copy content. Paste it in there. Save it. Where is the Python file? Okay. It's the Python file. Let me just copy that. Paste it here. The names. Model params Okay, template.html. Let's we rename it. I delete the index. We copy that and paste the name here. Delete the HTML. Okay, now we need to run it. We have error. Okay, ready HTML file to use. Where is our predictor ready? Predict strength none. It's not working. It's gonna take time. Because of that, I'm going to continue it in the next video. Until then, I hope you have a nice time. Let me just delete the unneeded files here. There are many of them. And then commit them. Creating web pages. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this session. It's some kind of boring, but all of you have a nice time. Until then, bye.